Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here coming at you. So I'm checking things out at this Walmart. As you can see, it's still pretty dry. I've been here a few times and it's been like this for a while. Over here they have some of these 9-packs, same old stuff I've shown you guys before. Here they have some of these Matchbox fighter jets. They're pretty cool, but they're not my thing. Whoever cares for them, you guys know where to find them. Over here, it looks like they have some old 5-packs. Let's take a look at the pegs. Hopefully we find some hidden gems. Let's see. Let's see. Here we have this cool Jeep Renegade. It's really cool. Someone told me that there's supposedly there's only one per case. I already have one, so I'll leave it here for somebody else. Let's see what else they have. Looks like a bunch of peg warmers. They have a lot of Dodge Rams and food trucks. Let's see what else they have. Looks like we have a little Jeep here, or some kind of an off-road vehicle, but it's not my thing. I'm going to leave it here for somebody else. And it looks like we have some more peg warmers. Let's take a look. And let's see. Ooh, look at this. Hello, my friend. Check out this Audi, guys. This one I do not have, so I'm definitely taking this one. Let's take a look down here. Looks like some more peg warmers, unfortunately. Let's keep digging. Nothing. I have this cool little Jeep, but I'm not really into it, so it's gonna stay here for someone else. Let's see what else they have. This one I already have. Over here they have this cool Chevy Caprice police car. Don't really dig it, so I'm gonna leave it there for somebody else. Let's see what else they have. Looks like more peg warmers. And over here they have some Hot Wheels Super Mario themed cars. Pretty cool. Here they have the little princess. Not bad. I don't collect these guys, but as I said, I like to show people what's available in stores. So whoever cares for these could go get them. They know where to find them. So this bullet is actually pretty cool. Let's see. Here's Mario. There's Donkey Kong. Definitely a big fan of the game, but I'm not a fan of the castings whatsoever. Up here they have some Nickelodeon stuff. Let me finish hanging this stuff and I'll show you what they have. Here they have this guy. And they have this little dinosaur over here. Here they have another Mario Kart. Pretty cool. Let's see what else they have. Here's Carlitos. Let's see what else. Here's another dinosaur. And it looks like pretty much it as far as the Rugrats is concerned. Let's see what else they have. Let me just finish putting these back. Down here you could already see a Michelangelo. Pretty cool. You have SpongeBob. Let's see what else they have. Another Ninja Turtles. And you have Patrick over here from SpongeBob. Gotta love Patrick, man. Let's see what else they have. Another Mario Kart. So let me put these back. And let's see what else they have. This Audi is really cool. Really cool. Let's see. These Mario Karts with the parachutes are cool, but I've shown you guys that before. On these team transports, looks like it's pretty much the same. Let's see what they have on the premium. Have those. Here's more team transports. I already have that one. Let's see what they have over here. Peg warmer. And we have another peg warmer. Ooh, nice. Check out this Beamer. This one I do not have, so I'm taking this one. And nice. Another Lamborghini, so pretty cool. I'm taking this one. Let's see what else they have. That one over there I don't care for. Let's see. Here they have some NASCAR. I don't care for these either. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they have some of these Mazda Harley Davidson motorcycles. They're pretty cool, but I don't collect them. Here they have some NASCAR 2-packs, miniature cars. Don't care for those either. Looks like that one is torn, so I'm just going to leave it there. Let's see what they have over here for the Jada Toys Just Truck series. Oops, I dropped something. Sorry, guys. Over here, so you have some micro machines. Let's take a look over here. Let's see if they have any new ones. Let's see. Ooh, let's see. They have this cool Raptor. I'm not too sure if I have this one or not, but it's pretty cool. I might take this one, actually. Let me put it down here for now. Let's see what else they have. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like they have anything else that I care for. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let me pick this up really quick. Here they have some of these Jada Toys Fast and Furious. Pretty cool. Ooh, this 370Z is pretty cool. Love that silver color. Might take that one. Check this out, guys. Here's a Skyline. And here we have an Escort. And yeah, here it is, guys. This is Dom's Charger right there. Pretty cool. From the Fast 9 movie that's coming up. Let me put these back really quick. This Azuki one is pretty cool, actually. I already have it. But this one is really cool. You know what? I'm going to leave that one behind. The scale is too big. Here's another Skyline in blue. Let's see what else. Here's another Skyline. Here's a Mazda Rx7. This one is really cool. I'm kind of tempted to take this one, but I think I'm going to leave it here for now. Here's some more Escorts. Here we have this Gladiator. Pretty cool. And we have a couple of Camaros. Not bad. Let's put these back. That Mazda is really cool, man. I'm telling you, I'm really tempted to take it, but I'm going to hold off for now. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they have some more Fast and Furious, more of the same. And looks like they have some more over here. So, over here, some more Jada Toys trucks. Don't care for those. Over here, just have more stuff I don't care for. Let's take a look at this. Here they have this Mazda 4 GT with a hauler. There's another one. Not bad. Over here we have the Mustang Shelby. These are really, really nice. This one is really cool. This candy blue one. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they have a couple of variants. They have this one in black. Also really cool. And they have this nice one in candy apple red. Very nice. It's too bad that the scale is too large, man. They take way too much real estate. Here we have a Freddy Krueger. And here we have the Ninja Turtles Volkswagen bus. It's pretty cool. It's way too big though. And over here we have Catwoman, or Batgirl, sorry. Not bad. Alright guys, let me put these back and see what else they have. Looks like it's pretty empty. Alright guys, looks like that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Say what you wanna say to me now.